feel your body when you start getting dehydrated?
Oh, hell yeah. It gets bad.
That's Mom. I started not feeling good, and 45 minutes later, I had to go take me to the hospital. I got there and they said, your blood is so thick, you're so dehydrated, that I don't even know how your heart's pumping it.
Damn,
when
that's...
they do blood, they got to have a vial.
Wow. That's pretty wicked.
And they need it too.
Hopefully this will help you out a little bit.
When my IV ran out, the doctor was pissed that nobody changed it right away. He said, you change that immediately. It's flowing as fast as we can flow it. And no, my kidneys were totally shut down. And there's no pain with it. I had no pain with it. I didn't even think my kidneys were doing anything. Didn't feel a thing.
Man, that's wild.
I pulled over in a bad spot.
Yeah, but you have to pull over immediately, so that's their problem.
Wherever you feel safe, and there was enough room here to get over.
Yeah, there's plenty of room.
My sergeant should be here shortly.
So,
He's coming from Bellevue. And traffic,
Oh,
unfortunately.
right here.
well, he's right here. He knows where my hands are. He's watching.
You can put it in there.
No,
Yeah, but
I'm
this-
not done yet, though.
Okay, well,
My ashtray's down there on the
I
floor.
ready to put it in there.
Okay.
when you need it, so that way it's better than putting it out.
Hey, you can't really see what's down there from where you're at.
Nope, I can't.
There could be a weapon right there next to the hospital.
That's why do you think I want your hands up there?
No, I shouldn't have done that.
What's that?
I shouldn't have done that. I burnt my finger a little
Why do you think I've been keep on telling you and reminding you, keep your hands up there? Because her knee is just blocking, so I have no view, so I don't know.
Yeah, I do what you do. I talk with my hands.
Yep. And as long as they stay up in that general area, have you seen me or heard me yell at you? I just say, hey, just keep your hands up for me.
You can probably roll
I didn't want to, reach down and unhook the gun.
Yep. No, I don't blame you.
I didn't want to touch it at all.
So every once in a while, so this is when we did it earlier and all that stuff. What I will do is like, hey, if you don't mind with your left hand reaching and hand me your gun for your safety and my safety, what I'll do is I'll make it safe, and then I'll give it back to you in the same condition I found it.
Well,
and then I would have you reach across, keep your right hand on the steering wheel, reach across with your left hand, because it will be hard. Pull it out and then reach over.
There's a video out
Where
an officer asked the woman,
Yep.
do you have a weapon on you? Because she had her permit. And she goes, yes, it's in my purse. And he goes, can I see it?
Yep.
And she reached in her purse and pulled out her gun, and he shot her.
So I don't know. I haven't seen that. So what's your question,
So
ma'am?
I have a question.
Go ahead, ma'am.
You feel unsafe with, say, his gun.
No, I don't.
Well, hold on. If you did and you asked him to give it to you to make it so that it's safer.
It's just a safer
But
situation.
what if we feel, or I feel the same way about your gun?
Well, I'm pretty sure they won't give it to you, but...
No, I mean, wouldn't it only be fair if you want his gun up here? Wouldn't it only be fair that you put your gun up here? Because that would make us feel safer.
But how do I know you don't have more guns in here?
But you have 13 people back there.
I don't have 13 people. I count 4 right now.
Okay, well, you had a whole bunch.
Oh, 4 or 5.
I'm just saying.
With you.
Normally we wouldn't have this. So I'm just saying when it was just me and him earlier, and I asked him, it was us. It was us.
Right.
Right. So therefore, he's my trainee. I'm responsible for him. So I'm the only technically full-fledged law enforcement officer between me and him right here. He's a trainee. As much as he's getting trained, he doesn't fully count. He's not commissioned. I'm the commissioned one. So it's technically 1 versus 3. How do I know? I haven't been able to look at him because how do I know he doesn't have a gun on his head?
Yeah, he's in
How do I
there.
know you don't have a gun under your leg? How do I know he doesn't have a gun tucked right there on his left because he keeps on raising his shoulder? I don't know these things. So therefore, he gives up the one gun I can see, and I only have one gun. And have you seen me reach for it at all?
Do you have a taser?
That's not a gun. That's a taser.
Yeah, that's what I was asking if you had one.
Right.
I thought they were
So
orange.
I've actually shown no no aggression in neither of you about reaching for my gun or anything. My hands have been up here the whole entire time, and I'm talking. Right. And when he said, no, did you see me push for him to ask him to hand me a gun? I said, it's his right. He doesn't have to.
I didn't say no. I said I'd rather not.
But that's a no to me. If you'd rather not to, that's a no. And I'm not going to push you for it. Because that, to me, in my eyes, I'd rather not do something. I'd rather not do a lot of things. Yeah, I'm not going to push you to do what you don't rather not do. Especially if it's your right not to give it to me. So therefore, at that point, have you seen? Hey, I'm just going to ask for your safety and my safety. Keep your hands where I can see them. And have my hands been up here pretty much the entire time, away from my gun? I haven't made a moment.
There was an officer back there that had his gun, his hand on his gun. Like,
well, now I'm going to. This is now going that way. We're going to talk about where does a normal person standing. There's either 3 ways most of the time. They're cross-handed.
Yep.
Hands on the hip.
Exactly.
Right. Now, if I go hands on the hip. Where's my gun? Well, shit, it's on my hip.
Yeah.
Well,
now, I'm not trying to...
He had his hand around the...
But this is normal because going like this,
I know it is.
Comfortable.
I have my gun right there. And I was watching a video and the guy kept, why do you got your hand on your gun? Why do you got your hand on? The officer said, it's just a comfortable way to stand. And I was out in the yard. I think I was talking to my son here. And I put my hands like you do. I go, damn, it is more comfortable. It is a comfortable,
but it's just,
way to
if
stand.
you try to stand with all this stuff on and you stand, it's not comfortable. Now, if I go like this, my hand is like this, it's a little bit more comfortable, and with especially 60 more pounds of stuff on me, and I know that's a profession I chose, and I
totally agree with that it is more comfortable.
That's why if you see us, we ain't trying to be intimidating. It's just for some of it, if natural standing position is hands on the hip. Well, if I put my hands here, that's not really comfortable because you got this lifting my shoulder up, and this is easier on my shoulder so it doesn't get hurt.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now I understand that's not going to be the popular thing for us to say. Then why can't he do it? Well, that's true, but at the same point, I would rather be like this when talking to you guys too, and I can do this, and that's what I kind of been doing, which is the same position he is in. I'm not asking him to go in any other position. I would not be willing to go.
Right, it's a lot more comfortable.
But I understand what he did because I moved my hands.
Yeah.
And then he started holding his gun, like this with his hand around.
And I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. No, he's not now, but he did for a little bit there.
And with all this,
like I said, I wasn't here. I didn't see it, so I don't know.
I've been pretty nice. You want to do what is it called? React up something. I could be really. I could be really mean, and he could teach you how to calm somebody down.
Yeah, with the taser.
No, here's the thing. You guys joke that's what we want to do.
I
don't want to do that. I don't want to pull anybody and threaten anybody. I wasn't threatening him originally, and I apologize that I was letting you know.
Well,
this is the path you were choosing, and I don't want to go down that path. I'd rather not.
I do feel threatened.
Okay.
I do feel threatened.
Okay, may I ask by what?
I gave you the information because you said you were going to arrest me if I didn't give you the ID.
You didn't give me an ID. A CPL is not an ID.
I gave you that believing what I was told.
Okay.
So
to be fair,
and I did give you my picture ID as well.
To be fair, before I got your CPL, you did not give us any ID. You said you were not. And then I talked to you.
Say no. I said I'd rather
and then I talked to you, and then I warned you this is the path you're going down, and then you gave me the CPL, and then we talked further, and I explained that a CPL is not an ID. What was that?
You said I'd be arrested if I didn't give it to you.
Which is true. You can be placed under arrest for not giving up your driver's license. Or an ID card.
Okay, that means you expect me of a crime.
It is a crime not to provide your driver's license or receipt.
No, and before I do give you any ID, there's no crime.
The crime?
So
my sergeant's here.
I didn't have to ID, but I did.
There we go.
What are you doing?
All right.
What's going on?
No, I want to be on my way.
Yeah.
If he wants to give me a ticket for anything, fine, but after that, I'd like to be on my way with my vehicle.
Mm-hmm. So what's the issue today?
Well, he don't want me to take my vehicle.
Why is that?
Because I don't have a driver's license.
You don't have a driver's license?
I don't have, it's not revoked or suspended. I've had it void.
Okay.
Because I'm no longer a driver.
But you're driving.
No. Who's paying me? If I'm driving, who's paying me?
I don't understand what that means.
Well, you don't know the legal term for driving?
It's like you're driving the car to me. Anyway,
so
you have an ID only?
I gave him my ID.
Okay, so you don't have a license, just an ID?
Yeah.
Do you have a licensed driver in the car?
Yeah.
You do?
He can't drive a stick very well, so we'll be going like 20 miles an hour on the freeway.
You have another driver then come here, come get your car since you don't have a license?
There's nobody that can drive this that in my family that can drive a stick.
I'm sorry?
I'm the only one that knows how to drive a stick. If he does it, he's learning.
Okay.
And I feel...
Okay, so you don't have another driver, you don't have another alternative to drive the car?
I have a perfect driving record, which will probably come up.
Right, but you don't have a license. That's the problem.
But the thing is I'm not driving. I already went to court for this.
Okay.
You're traveling.
And I have all the paperwork
Right.
where
So what was happening when they stopped the car?
no seatbelt.
Okay, and who was driving the car when that happened?
Nobody. There is no driver in this car.
Okay. Here's
I
your
was off-
options.
I don't want to.
Here's the options. Is one.
I don't want to admit to being a driver. So if you
No,
ask
I
me
get
who's
that.
the driver,
I get that. So I'll run a scenario by you, okay? Okay, you're probably be cited for driving with an ID, no license. Okay, it's $550. You don't have another driver to come get your truck. We're going to tow and impound it.
Well,
But they give you 20 minutes to call someone to get down here to get it.
Well, he can drive it.
What's that?
He can drive it.
And he has a valid license?
Yeah,
Are you good with that, sir?
but he hasn't ever driven a stick.
It'd be a learning experience, but I mean, I'm sure I could pull it off.
Do you have somebody that's here within a reasonable amount of time that can safely drive this car off the road?
No, my wife can't drive a stick. She'd be the only one, and then somebody'd have to
Right,
take
is your
the
wife
other
here?
part. No,
No.
that's his
Okay.
wife.
What would you like to do? What would you like to see happen today?
I'd like to, if he wants to give me a ticket, fine, but then I want him to let me be on my way. Because I didn't commit any crime. I wasn't speeding. I wasn't swerving. I wasn't driving badly. I didn't endanger anybody.
You just weren't wearing your seatbelt.
I'm a very good traveler.
Okay.
I travel and I'm very cautious.
Right.
I do not want to get hurt. I do not want to hurt anybody else.
Right.
And I'm very good at what I do.
Okay.
When my driving record comes back, you'll see that I'm very good at
Okay.
what I do because it is perfect.
Okay. So we'll say, now from our side, we can't let an unlicensed driver drive away. Because if
But
something were
the
to
thing
happen,
is,
hold on, you talk now. It's my turn to talk. Okay.
Okay.
If something were to happen, who's liable then?
Me.
You let an unlicensed driver enter the roadway and hit somebody, or someone hits you, right? Someone gets hurt in this car.
If I'm driving down the road,
It's not about feelings or opinions. It's about facts, right?
If I'm driving down the road, it's fine. That means I have a license to drive, and I've done all the stuff.
Yeah, speak up a little bit. I can't hear you.
If I was a driver, I'd have a license. There's no such thing as a non-commercial license,
Okay.
and I don't want anything to do with commercial.
But you don't want to say you're
I
the
believe,
driver for court purposes, right?
I believe
He's
know
the
what you're saying.
traveler, not the driver.
I'm a traveler. I have
Okay.
a God-given right
Mm-hmm.
to travel.
Right.
If I get a
Right.
license,
Right.
I would be committing a sin, unless I'm actually
That's
driving somebody.
Okay, that's opinions, right?
That's
all
my
opinions.
belief.
So here's the deal.
That's
20
my
minutes to get a
religion.
driver to get this car off the roadway, or
He
we
can-
tow it.
He
That's
can
it.
drive it. He's licensed.
Sir,
right
can you
there.
safely drive this car off the roadway?
Yes.
So you
Safely get off the road. Do you have a license on you?
Yes,
I
sir.
believe my
Say it, please.
right to travel. is
No.
gonna
You can't
be
verify
live.
he's a licensed driver with a valid license. You have to tow the car.
You got your license with you, don't you?
Yeah, I can show it to him, but I gotta reach back behind here, and that's what I'm nervous
Are you
about.
carrying anything?
No, sir.
You got nothing to be nervous about. Go and grab it.
I gotta take the seatbelt off here.
All right.
Where the hell is it? Oh God, it's way down here. All right, going up slowly. Oh, it's sticking.
You noticed everybody in the car had a
legs are
seatbelt on
asleep.
but
I
me.
can't hear you, sir. I'm sorry.
It said you didn't notice everybody in the
Yeah.
car had a seatbelt on but me.
But you.
And I have a medical reason.
I'm
and I
setting
You
may
have
not-
that on you?
I don't have a letter with me. I showed the officer my
Right.
surgery stuff.
Right. So you got to carry that with you in case you do get stopped, right?
Yeah, I can get another one, I
Oh,
suppose.
come on, where
What's
are
that?
ya?
I can get another one. I had a state patrol officer. When I had the letter,
Good
Yeah.
God
he
Almighty.
goes, "I hear that all the time from people," and he goes, "I've never seen a letter." He goes, "Can I see yours?"
Okay, there we go.
All right, sir. Thank you.
He goes, "I believe you," and I showed him my
Oh wait, I can keep my
surgery stuff.
You gonna cite him?
Yeah, we have it.
All done. Okay, he's a licensed driver.
Okay.
So once we're done with the issuing, let's just get out of here and you guys make your switch and get
So
off the road.
you're gonna violate my right to travel. is
What's
what
that?
I'm hearing you're gonna violate my right to travel freely. So I'm good with it.
No,
I mean,
we're just
we'll
giving
work on
laws
it.
that we have to enforce. We don't write the laws, right? We just get them, they say enforce them. You know what
It's
I mean?
not a law.
So someone wrote it, right? And it says the law. If you're an unlicensed driver, we can't let you drive away.
Well, it's like a business, like McDonald's.
Very business, yes.
Okay, if a guy from Burger King was over there and the manager at McDonald's told him to wash the floors, he don't have to do that because he is not an employee there, and they're their rules and policies don't apply to the guy that works at Burger King that's at McDonald's.
Okay. You have an ID card in Washington State?
Yes.
So you're a resident of Washington?
Yes.
Who owns the roads in Washington?
Everybody.
Well, who runs the roads? Really?
Taxpayer.
Not us.
Every taxpayer.
Right. And who's
And
part
I'm
of
a
that?
taxpayer.
And who owns who runs the roadway out here? Department of Transportation, right? And then the legislation, they make the laws, right?
Yeah, but
when they say go enforce the laws, and that's all we do.
Did I cause any damage?
Not that I see, no.
Okay.
So
That's my point. I caused no damage.
right,
I hurt nobody.
right. But you are aware of seatbelt law, right?
Yeah.
Because you've been stopped before, right? So you're well aware of how it works.
Yeah, I know the law.
Okay, all right. So here's the deal.
Really
We
good.
can do that, but if you don't
Just-
feel comfortable with having him drive the car, we gotta tow it.
Mom, I'll let him drive it. I'm just letting you know that
Yeah, no, I appreciate that.
might be a little bit tough at first.
I'm sorry.
So it might be a little bit tough for him at first
For what?
to drive it. So
I just gotta get used to it.
Well, you got a shoulder here. You can get down the shoulder or something.
Yeah, I was
Or-
thinking
or-
about.
Alternatives towing it. It's up to you guys.
I was just saying, I pulled over in a really bad
I got you.
spot.
I got you. So it's either he drives or we tow it.
Yeah, he's probably gonna have to.
You good with that?
take
Yeah,
the
I'm
exit.
totally
He's
good
gonna
with
issue
that.
the ticket, explain it to you. Then we're gonna get out of here. Get a safe driver in there and get off the road, okay?
You telling me I'm not safe?
What's that?
Are you saying I'm not
Say
safe?
when it's safe, get off the road.
Oh,
You said get a safe
when-
driver.
When it's safe, get off the road.
Okay, but I'd like to know who I'm working for that's paying me to.
What's that?
I'd like to know who you guys think I'm working for here. To where I'm a driver. 'Cause
All right.
Don't you know
No,
that-
I get you. Your opinions. I understand what you're
It's not
saying.
an opinion. It's,
I
it's
see it, but keep
written.
it business-like, right? You're in the driver's seat. You're going down the roadway.
And I'm
definition
not,
of a driver, right?
I'm not conducting any
Take
business.
sir for your license. You have that.
I've already been to court for
Thank
this.
you. Yeah, here you go.
And
So,
I'm going to beat the tickets again.
yeah, whatever
It
you
ain't
need
my
to do.
first
That's
time.
up for the court, okay? So who issued to you?
It's just a pain in the ass to have to go to court all the time.
I can't hear you.
It's just a pain in the ass to have to go to court all the time.
I know. But put the seatbelt on, right? Or carry the thing with you. Right? Simple.
Well,
Real simple.
I mean, I didn't break any laws.
Okay. And that, again, that's opinion, right?
No, I've already been to court for this.
Okay.
No
Anyway.
law was broken.
So we're gonna get out of here,
Oh.
okay? You just take it, respond to it, he'll read it to you. You
There's,
take over, and we're done, okay?
There's no damage.
All right, good. You guys good?
I'm going
Right.
to need both their
It'll be on the ticket.
identification.
It'll be on the ticket.
Both of
And
them?
what's
Yep.
your badge?
Because I
number?
won't.
220.
I'm going to subpoena them.
Sweet man 220.
Sweet man
Okay, 'cause
220.
I will
Okay,
get a
sweet
subpoena
man
to
220.
Yeah,
Have
yeah,
to
absolutely.
be
And
in
you know
court.
what? We do this on a regular basis. We go to court a lot, so we're used to it.
I know, and
It's
a lot
okay.
of people don't know their rights and the laws.
No, you're
And
right.
I
They
do.
don't. I agree with that. A lot of
And I
people
do,
don't.
and I know it's going to get thrown
Yeah,
out
so
right
we'll just
away.
keep doing our job. You do the right thing. We do the right thing. We move on, okay? All right, sir. Go ahead.
What? Evan? What?
All right, sir.
No damage, no
And
one's
we got a
hurt.
CPL back for you here.
You want me to take it for you?
Here, take the garbage. Oh,
And I do have the infraction for you for not having a seatbelt or the license, okay?
okay, so you gave me 2 tickets, right? No
Yeah,
seatbelt.
two different sections on the same paper for you.
Okay, one's no license.
No license, the other one's for the seatbelt.
Okay, and both your names are on there?
Yes, sir. I know mine should be.
Because
What?
I'm going to subpoena
The
both
names?
of you.
No, the names.
My name?
Yeah.
Your name is right here. They don't have my name.
Yeah,
This
I
name's
need
right
yours.
here.
Well, I
Yeah,
need
mine's not
yours.
Armstrong.
Well,
A-R-M-S-T.
I cannot read or write.
Okay.
I have.
Do you have a piece of paper to write or a pen?
You don't have a
I have.
You don't have a business card?
I don't have a business card. I'm not in my car.
Well, can you get one out of your car?
Huh?
Oh, you're in his car?
His card? He doesn't
Whose
have a card.
Whose car are you in then?
I'm in his car.
Huh?
I'm in his car.
Okay.
You just said he don't have a car.
First,
No, I don't have a card.
Oh,
first
card.
and last name. 'cause
Sorry,
I'm
it's-
sure there's more
Armstrong.
than one.
A-R-M-S-T-R-O-N-G. Armstrong. And then Trooper Armstrong.
And what's
Okay.
your badge number?
404.
Okay, can I get the ID of all the other officers that are here
And that was
that witnessed
the
this?
sergeant was Sweet Man.
Sweet Man 220.
And then yours.
I'm Jace.
Right here.
Yeah,
That one's right
Jace
here.
Right down there.
Yeah, his name's on there.
And then
JM
his badge number.
still.
627.
Okay.
Alright. No, there you go. You got her.
And then I don't know what agreement was with how you guys are switching. That was between you and my sergeant. Whatever you guys agreed upon, go ahead and do it, okay?
Alright.
Yeah,
Stay safe,
they're-
folks.
Thank you.
Well, I'm not done. I said I need the ID of all the other officers. And they're just going to walk away and not give it to us. We got all these witnesses and they're not going to give us their names.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 police officers. One of them fucking loaded up to the T with shit.
Yeah, they're right behind us. They don't think I'm gonna do shit about this, but yeah, I'm suing them.
Fuck yeah, you got a case now, and I got the video evidence to prove it. Except for that one time I hit pause. All right, YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.